How to link your channel with your YouTube studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to link your YouTube channel to your YouTube studio. You all know that YouTube studio is a must-have app on your phone, though you can use the website, but sometimes it's just easier to have the app if you quickly want to check out something. So I'll be teaching you how to use it. And you know that YouTube studio is where you check out the revenue a particular video earn you, the views, which country is watching, the age rate that is watching that your particular video. So come, let me teach you how to link it. So what you will do is you go to either your Apple Store or your Play Store. You search for YouTube Studio. See it here, you click on it. I've downloaded it before, this is it. If you have not downloaded it, you go ahead to download it. Then you click on open. You click on get started and sign in. You click on sign in. Then you choose the channel you want to sign in. So I'll be using my main channel, FAR, so I'm going to click on it. And automatically it's sign in. So this is dashboard, this is content, this is analytics, this is community, and this is end. So these are your subscribers, this is your views, and this is your watch time. This watch time is not normal YouTube that watch hour, it's just generally both the short, both your normal video, your long video. Then your content, you want to see how all your videos are, you click on content. You want to check a particular video, the analytics of a particular video. So let me check this one. I'll click on it. You click on it to show you the views, the number of views, total views. You click on it and you start checking. Okay, I have 569 views. The watch time from this particular video is 3.6 watch hour. I got 11 subscribers from that particular video. You go ahead. How viewers found this video? You click on it to know how they find related reels, related shorts. 299 people found this video through one of my shorts because I linked this video to one of my shorts. External is 186, direct or unknown is 46, other YouTube features 46, channel page 6, YouTube recommendation 5. I don't know why YouTube not really recommends this video. YouTube home 4, up next 1, subscriptions field 1. Then you go back, you come down, audience, your read time and all. You go to reach, how many impression, 144. Impression clip through rate 4.2, views 569, unique viewers 139. So you go ahead to check down to the site that people use to review that particular video, external site or app, Chrome app 46. Wow, lots of people view it. Lots of people view it through Chrome app. WhatsApp 9.8. So you go back again, go down. I don't have enough content suggestion. This video views. Okay, this particular one I really don't know. I think after watching my video, this is what they suggested for them. YouTube Studio. So engagement, how they engaged on it. Just go down. Testing new YouTube updates 98.2, channel average 98.5, your our audience, returning audience. I have 44 returning viewers, 44 unique viewers. Okay, I've seen that already. The age range that watch the channel, 18 to 24 years, is 63.9%. I think this is the highest age range I've viewed the video. Why 25 to 34? Gender: male 57.7, female 42.3. Nigeria mostly. I can't see other countries though. Okay. No subtitle English. Not subscribed. Like people that viewed it is that did not subscribe 73.5%. Why subscribed 26.5. So basically that is how you check your analysis for that particular video. You can see analytic too. This analysis show from top content, like this is the highest like views I've gotten, 1.7 million views on this particular short. So total views I've gotten is 2.1 million, watch time 56.5 and all. So you just go ahead and check it while you're in. This is where this is where you know what is up. Okay, I'm not yet monetized. My channel is not yet a monetized channel. So these are the criteria. I've got you one that is 1k subscribers. Then this watch hour and these views. The first criteria, you know that now YouTube have two ways of monetization. The first one that people will start gifting you and all before you get monetized. This is it. You have to meet one of these. So I think the one that will even meet the most is this second one, because I'm already in 1.9 public short views, over 3 million. So I need 2.1. 2.1. Sorry, I think I need 1.1. Yes, I need 1.1 million views. Then you go to the second one. This is the remonetization on where YouTube pay you for adding ads to your videos and all. I still have a long way to go in this one, but I know by the grace of God, before middle of next year, but I've gotten it. So, guys, that is basically how YouTube Studio works. What you will see on your YouTube Studio, and if you have watched this video to this time and you have not yet subscribed or like or comment, please do so. Bye guys, see you all in my next video.